Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to see how you can open multiple WhatsApp accounts with two different numbers on your phone, using just one WhatsApp on your phone. On your WhatsApp, click this. That is the three dots at the top of your WhatsApp on your phone. Head over to Settings. From your settings, click this. The down arrow sign here, you can see the first WhatsApp account here. Then, click Add Account. Click on the terms, I agree. Then, enter country code and the phone number. Click Next. Verify that the number is correct. Enter the code sent. It's now verifying. Verification is now complete. Then add your name. We aren't adding an email, click Skip. You can see the other account that we added. Previously, the menu ends at Settings. With the addition of another WhatsApp account, it now ends at Switch Accounts. As you can see, there is now a Switch Accounts. Head over again to Settings, you see there are now two accounts added on the WhatsApp. We are now switching over to the new account. It's an indication that it's switched over. You can equally switch accounts by clicking here. That's a simple way of opening two accounts with one WhatsApp on your phone. Thank you for watching this short video. Kindly like our video and subscribe to our channel. For more videos, thank you for watching.